Hello everyone. Nowadays you are seeing a lot of increase in the COVID cases. One of the best thing that we can do during this situation is to improve our immune system. Yogic breathing techniques are one of the powerful ways to improve the immune system because they strengthen our lungs by supplying more oxygen, and this in turn will improve our immune system. So I will be teaching 4 to 5 pranayamas today, which is very simple and which you can implement once in the morning and once in the evening. The first pranayama, most of you might be aware, it's called Kapalbhati. So what you will be doing is you are going to inhale once and then you will do continuous exhalation for at least 10, 20, 30 or 50 times as well. Just observe me once. So this is one round. So like this you can do 5 rounds or 10 rounds based on your capability, and you can improve upon. The second one that I am going to teach is Bhastrika Pranayam, where you will be keeping the hands like this with the wrist in this way, and you are going to lift this hand up, opening the fingers, inhale and bring it down, exhale. So do this at a faster rate, at least 20 times. Do 20 times, give 10 counts break, observe what is happening in your body, and then you can continue to do this at least 5 cycles. So after this we will do Anuloma Viloma. It's also called as alternate nostril breathing. So what we will do is the index finger and the middle finger needs to be folded. The thumb, the ring finger and the little finger, they needs to be open. So with the thumb, close the right nostril, keep the left nostril open. First exhale. Now inhale from the left nostril, close the left nostril, exhale from the right nostril. Now inhale from the right nostril, close it, exhale from left. So do it alternatively. You can continue to do this for 3 minutes or 5 minutes. It's very, very powerful. The other one that we are going to learn now is called Simhakriya. I learned this in one of the Isha program recently. So sit comfortably in Sukhasana. Keep your hands such a way that you are creating a congestion to the neck region like this. Now put your tongue outside, completely outside. Inhale and exhale 21 times. Once you do 21 times, roll over the tongue inside in the upward direction and continue breathing and breathe out 21 times. Once you complete 21 times, inhale once and close the mouth, hold the breath. Hold the breath for 30 counts or up to 60 counts. If you can hold the breath for 30 counts, your immune system is good. If you can't hold, then you need to work on improving the immune system. If you can hold it for 60 counts, fantastic. So keep practicing this on a daily basis. You will see tremendous improvement in your immune system. Nice talking to you.